Hey there, Honda owners! Is your 2001 Honda CRV radio locked and showing Enter Code on the screen? If you've recently replaced your battery or experienced a power loss, this is a common issue. Don't worry though. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps you need to unlock your radio and get back to enjoying your music and podcasts. Let's dive in. Why does this happen? Before we start, let's quickly talk about why this happens. Your Honda CRV's radio comes with an anti-theft feature. This system is designed to lock the radio whenever the power supply is interrupted, like when you change the battery or have a power failure. It helps protect your vehicle from theft. But here's the thing. You can easily unlock the radio with the right code, and that's exactly what we're going to show you today. Now don't stress. We'll walk you through everything from finding your radio's serial number to inputting the unlock code. All you need is a few simple steps and a little patience. Step 1. Locate the serial number. Let's start with the most common place, the glove box. Open it up and look for a small white sticker on the inside. On this sticker, you should find the radio's serial number, which will look like something like B12345678. That's your ticket to getting the unlock code. Pro tip: sometimes the unlock code is also printed on this sticker, so if you find both the serial number and code there, you can skip ahead to step 3. If you don't find the sticker in the glove box, don't worry. You can also check your owner's manual. Sometimes, dealers write down both the serial number and the unlock code during the car's initial sale. So flip through the first few pages or check the back cover. You might find it listed there. Step 2. Retrieve the unlock code. Once you've got the serial number, it's time to retrieve your unlock code. This part is really easy, and you don't have to be a tech expert to do it. Visit HondaRadioCodes.com. Head over to HondaRadioCodes.com on your computer or mobile device. The website is designed specifically to help you retrieve unlock codes for Honda radios. Enter the serial number. On the website, you'll see a form where you need to enter the serial number you just found. Double-check that the serial number is correct before submitting it. This is very important. You don't want to type in the wrong number because that will lead to delays in getting the correct code. Follow the steps. After you've entered the serial number, follow the instructions on the website to complete the process. In some cases, you may be asked to make a small payment to retrieve the unlock code. But once that's done, your unique unlock code will be displayed on the screen almost instantly. Make sure to write down the code or take a screenshot. This code is your key to unlocking the radio. Keep it somewhere safe for future reference. Step 3. Enter the unlock code. All right, now it's time for the big moment. Unlocking the radio. Once you've got the unlock code, we can finally get the radio working again. Turn on the radio. First, make sure the radio is powered on. You should see Enter Code on the screen, indicating that it's waiting for you to input the unlock code. Input the code. Now, use the preset buttons on your radio to input the code. For example, if your code is 16331, you'll simply press each button individually to enter code. Confirm the code. Once you've entered the code, press the Enter or OK button on your radio. If everything's entered correctly, your radio should unlock immediately, and you're good to go. Troubleshooting tips. Sometimes things don't go perfectly the first time around. Here are a few common issues and how to fix them. Code doesn't work. Double-check the serial number you entered on the website. If it's incorrect, you'll get the wrong code. If the code still doesn't work, it might be a good idea to contact Honda support or visit your local Honda dealership for further help. wait, or error on the screen. If you enter the wrong code too many times, the radio might lock up and display wait or error. Don't panic. Just leave the radio on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and it will reset, allowing you to try entering the code again. And that's it. You've successfully unlocked your 2001 Honda CRV radio. Now you can get back to enjoying your favorite music and podcasts during your drives. Also, for fast and easy access to your radio's unlock code, head over to HondaRadioCodes.com. They make the whole process super simple. Thanks for watching, and remember, drive safely and keep those tunes rolling. Need to unlock your radio? Visit HondaRadioCodes.com now. Check out for Unlock Your Radio. Subscribe for more helpful car tips.